Alright guys, welcome back to Diesel Day Trading. Hope you guys are all had a fantastic weekend. On this video I'm going to show you this excuse me, this trade was 2 weeks ago, but I caught it live, so I'm going to kind of do it like I did on DASAs, where I just fast forward and kind of go through it. So we'll start the video. Here's AMC, plug, and apps. I did not trade this, but we'll fast forward. This is right before the market opens. So the market opens, and you'll see me trade AMC and plug. So I'll fast forward until I get into the trade. Some of the key levels: 29.16, 29.30, and 29.80. So right now at the open, it just opened. It's 3 minutes into it. I'm just sitting back, seeing where the levels are going to be. I do put some notes on the screen. I did trade this live. I had the video. So right here, I'm putting a note: if it don't break pre-market highs on AMC, it's weak. So we can fast forward. I'm not in any positions yet. Draw a couple of notes. I'll be getting in the trade here shortly. So plug just did a red to green, or it's red and then green. I highlight on the screen red to green move. So right there, I just so now I'm gonna start taking a short on the position that I typed in red to green. So right now I'm currently 100 shares short. I'll speed her up. I was saying AMC looks weak. And then right here I put target. This is my target for the day, 28.51. And then I drew that level because of this right here. So I expected plug to come down to 28.51 that day. So we'll do some fast forwarding. So I'm 200 shares short now. Average price 29.22. I haven't taken a trade in AMC yet. So AMC still breaking higher. Plug breaks down. Alright. So I'm going to pause it real quick. So I just put orders out: 29.10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This whole candle I plan on shorting. So you can see all my orders are out there, and I'm only 200 shares short right now. This is a famous thing. The last 9 minutes of this candle, watch what happens. It gets bought up quick. And then I eventually get into AMC. So right here, I just added 20. I just added. I'm 500 shares short. Average price 29.14. Still not traded in AMC. This is a huge green candle. I'm pretty close to getting into this. So I just got filled another one, 29.30, 29.40. I'm 700 shares short. Average price 29.20. You can see right now on the trade I'm down on the day. And then AMC, I take a little starter in this, and then I'll show you what happens on that. But we'll fast forward it. So the trade on AMC is coming up. I'm still currently 700 shares short. Now my price target is $29, and I'm going to take 500 shares off there. So right here, I just got into AMC because of the strong green candle. And you'll see how fast I get out of this trade. That's why I say in my videos, just because it's a green candle doesn't mean that next candle's going green. And then over here, you'll see me get one more ad at $29.50. So I'll fast forward. So right now I'm just waiting to get filled on plug at $29.50. I'm still long AMC. Oh, right there. So I'm 800 shares short. Average price $29.23, and then I'm still 50 shares long on AMC. AMC decides to pull back quick. I cut the trade for a really small loss. So right up here, how that candle went red, it's a huge sign of weakness. So I eventually get out of AMC, and then I'm just mainly focused on plug at this time. So I'm still 800 shares short on plug. Do some fast forwarding. So you can see I already sold my 50 shares. I'm out of that trade. The only trade I'm in right now is currently plug. I just set an alert to myself if it gets over $29.60, I'll have to cut the trade. So I'll speed her up. So you can see still 800 shares short. My price target's $29.50. I put a little note it has to crack $29.20 because that was a huge support. Obviously you can see AMC that day just fell. So speed it up. Right up here I do put my orders higher. So I just up my order to buy 800, and then I switch it. So right now I have my order buy 500 at $29.05 and buy the other 300 at $29. So we'll see if it gets filled. You can see the P&Ls right up here. So now it's either it's going to break 29.50s or it's coming back to support. And it literally just hovers at 29.20s. And then so right there. So this comes down, I get my first fill on my 500 shares. Try to speed her up a hair. So it's about to fill my 500 shares. And then I'll have 300 left to get to 29. So once these fills hit, I'm going to show you something that day. So now I'm only 300 shares, and then my price target of 29. So this is kind of how like I trade on a daily basis right there. So it was a green trade, $140.10. And if you remember in the beginning of the video, I said my target was 28.51, I believe. So if I pull this over that day, this is that same day, just fast forwarded really crazy. Plug sold off all the way down to 28.22. So it would have been a really monster trade, but it is what it is. But now you guys kind of get how I trade on a daily basis, how I'm looking for patterns, how I get my support, how I get my resistance. Yeah, just show you a little clip of me trading live. So until next time, traders, peace.